Go ahead, Doc.
Starboard watch to rescue station, starboard watch to rescue station. Manoverboard. Recovery by starboard Zodiac.
Initial response. Bridge life buoy with light and smoke signal on the side the person has fallen overboard. 2. Take immediate avoiding action so as not to run over the man. 3. Sound emergency alarm signal, followed by a Manoverboard announcement. If you are on deck and has seen a man falling overboard, then shout man overboard and mention the side he has fallen. Example: starboard or port side. 4. Sound 3 long blasts. 5. Call the master, be ready to brief him on arrival. 6. Execute GPS MOB position function. 7. Note position and time. 8. Post a lookout with binoculars and instructions to maintain a continuous watch on the man overboard. 9. Inform the engine room, and put engines on standby. 10. Commence recovery maneuver, such as Williamson turn, if appropriate. Turn, if appropriate. Post initial response. 1. Engage hand steering. 2. Muster rescue boat crew and prepare for possible launching. 3. Note wind speed, direction and time. 4. Broadcast urgency or distress message on VHF to ships in the vicinity. 5. Hoist flag Oscar signal O flag. 6. Monitor position and movements of other vessels. 7. Post additional lookouts, including up the mast, if appropriate. 8. The first aid party prepare for recovery of casualty. 9. Rig pilot ladder, scramble nets, etc. to assist in recovery. 10. Note times and events in deck logbook. Note: the life of the overboard man depends on the OOW. Quick actions must be taken.